Ho ho hooray! The holidays are here, and this is my favorite time of the whole entire year. The New Year and Christmas are coming at the same time. So much snow has fallen. All the people of our town have lit up their homes with lights, put up their Christmas trees, and bought gifts for their family and friends. Oh, can't wait to see what they got me. Sweet. All of our heroes, TJ, Minnie, Woody, and Sally, prepared for a long time just for the Christmas race, which will take place today. Let's see what kind of racetrack is waiting for them on this Christmas Eve. Here's the track. Whoa! So many lights and decorations. Fantastic! Today will be another incredibly bright and colorful race. But Christmas Day. All the monster trucks are ready. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Right away, Sally pulls out ahead. Yes! Meanwhile, the racers approach the first hurdle and its springboard. Each monster truck has to make an incredibly high jump to clear the Christmas trees. So you better put the pedal to the metal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our high-flying monster trucks flew over 5 Christmas trees with one go. That's incredible. Whew. All of them have cleared the first jump, and now we need to drive very carefully between all the Christmas ornaments. 6 giant Christmas tree ornaments. Everyone did it! Yeah! Next up, we have a bunch of springboards with a super mega springboard at the end to help them jump all the way over the frozen lake. But here it is, the lake. Careful, Minnie! The snow slide is right up ahead, which the last obstacle in our race is just ahead. The leader is TJ, but the others are definitely not ready to give up. And here it is, the snowy hill! All the monster trucks quickly try to get to the finish line. It's incredible! All the monster trucks cross the finish line at the same time. What? That's a Christmas miracle! And today, that's right, friendship is the winner. On Christmas and New Year's, we will meet our other friends too. Cranes, fire engines, police monster trucks, and everybody else who's helped us in all of our adventures this year. They're gonna be in a...
Ho ho ho, everyone!
I'm sorry, but this is my favorite time of the year. It's Christmas time! And New Year's, that's coming up too. So much snow has fallen, and almost all the people in our town have decorated their houses to show their Christmas spirit, putting up the Christmas tree, and they've bought gifts for their families and friends. Sweet! Our heroes, TJ, Minnie, Woody, and Sally, have been preparing for a Christmas race for such a long time. Although today, it looks like they have their first training on this snow-covered track. Let's see how they can deal with it. And now you, Minnie. Sally, show us some of the new tricks that you've gotten ready for the Christmas race. TJ, it's your turn. Woody, show us what you've prepared. How awesome it feels to ride on a track just covered in snow. Friends, it's a tradition to give gifts to each other on Christmas Eve. Isn't that right? Sally, TJ, Minnie, and Woody are no exception. Your gifts are waiting for you in the town square, underneath the big tree. Let's get over there right now. Remember how we were looking for a Christmas tree and how we decorated it? I love Christmas so much. It is my favorite holiday for all the food, family, friends, presents, all the memories it gives me. It's just the best. Do you love Christmas too? It's time for everybody's favorite part. It's time to open your presents. Why don't we start with Sally? This is your gift. Wow! It's a brand new bumper! Let's try it out. Oh, it's so cool. And what do we have here? Minnie! Here's some new wheels just for you. Wait! They look great! TJ, now this one I know that you really need. You need a new engine. And here it is, special made just for you. Oh, Christmas is the best. Woody? Oh, Woody, don't think we've forgotten about you. Here it is, your brand new suspension. Hooray! Whoa! Uh-huh. Green. Whoa! Awesome! Yellow. Super! Blue. Whoa! Purple. Pink. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Pink. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.